ready to transform your passion into profit and treat your most dedicated readers to something special. Today, we're diving deep into Substack's powerful paywall feature, showing you exactly how to set up paid subscriptions and unlock a new revenue stream for your newsletter. Let's get started. First, log into your Substack account and navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Settings tab, usually found in the top right corner. From there, click on Subscription Settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a prominent option to monetize your publication. Toggle this switch to activate Substack's payment features. Now, let's define your subscription tiers. Substack allows you to create multiple levels of paid access. You can set up monthly and annual plans, which are excellent for recurring revenue. Think about what your most engaged readers would find valuable. For each tier, you'll input the price. Consider offering a discount for annual subscriptions to incentivize longer commitments. You can also create a founding member tier with a higher price point for your ultimate supporters, perhaps offering them extra perks. Once your tiers are set, controlling your content is simple. When you're writing a new post, you'll find an option to restrict access. Simply toggle this to paid subscribers only. This means that only paying members will be able to see the full text of your post. For everyone else, they'll see a preview and a clear call to action to subscribe. Substack provides robust tools to manage your paid content and track your earnings. You can monitor your subscriber growth, revenue, and see which posts are performing best with your paying audience. Think about offering exclusive benefits beyond just content access, such as private Q&A sessions, early access to new features, or a dedicated community forum. This adds immense value to their subscription. By implementing Substack's paywall, you're not just monetizing your incredible work, you're building a more engaged and supportive community for your dedicated readers. Happy publishing and happy monetizing.